Ever had your car suddenly shut off while you were driving? Yeah, that heart-dropping moment when everything goes quiet, and not in a good way. It's terrifying and expensive if you're not ready for it. But the good news? You can prevent this if you know what to look for. Welcome to Auto Repair, the channel where we help everyday drivers and DIY mechanics take control of their car's health and avoid nasty repair bills. Today, we're diving into 5 reasons your car might shut off while driving, and how to stop that from ever happening. To you, stick with me to the end. Some of these might surprise you. Bad crankshaft position sensor. Let's start with a big one, the crankshaft position sensor. This little part tells your engine's computer how to keep the engine running smoothly. When it fails, your car might misfire, then stall, then die completely. Imagine trying to breathe while someone randomly cuts off your air. That's your engine without this sensor. Dead or weak battery. Next up, your battery. If it's weak or dying, your car can shut off mid-drive, especially if something's draining power while it's parked. This is called a parasitic drain. And no, it's not a horror movie. It's just an electrical gremlin slowly killing your battery. Empty fuel tank. Or faulty fuel gauge. Running out of gas seems obvious, but what if your fuel gauge lies to you? A faulty sensor can leave you thinking you've got fuel, like when you're really running on fumes. Bad fuel. Pump your fuel pump delivers gas from your tank to your engine. If it fails, your engine goes quiet. No fuel, no goated clogged fuel filter before. Fuel hits your engine, it has to pass through a filter. If that filter's clogged, your engine starves and shuts off. Simple fix, big consequences if ignored. If you've made it this far, you now know more than most drivers on the road. The best part? Many of these issues are easy to check or prevent yourself before they leave you stranded or broke. So if you want to keep your car running strong and your wallet even stronger, hit that subscribe button, because every video here gives you the tools, the confidence, and the know-how to stay one step ahead. See you in the next one. Drive smart, save money.